Welcome to Ademola TV Plus YouTube channel, your number one online favorite TV. So today is Monday, as well as we got to celebrate our main celebrity. Our main celebrity today is in person of Kolawole Ajeyemi. Woo! Okay, let's get straight to it. The business. Let's get straight to the point.
Today, we celebrate the profound Nollywood actor and movie director Kolawole Ajeyemi, born on 5th May. He was hailed from Ogbomoso, Oyo State. Talking about his career as an actor, Kolawole Ajeyemi started acting in the 90s under the tutelage of veteran Yoruba actor Isiaka Odutola Omiogbon and Segun Akanni Ogungbe. Kolawole has since gone ahead to fully establish himself as an actor. He has featured in over 50 movies and worked as a director for many others. Today, the actor is well recognized for his movies such as Buga, Soto Alapata, Jogbon Iwosi, Ibigiga, Sunday Dagbo, Jokinjo, Somi Bayo, Ifeni Okala, Pastor Eroko, Erukunla, Omo Aye, Orilowo, Onome Agaga, Ekumeron, and so many more. So, ladies and gentlemen, with all the love we have for Kola Ajeyemi, join us as we celebrate a multi-talented actor, Kola Ajeyemi. Woo!
So, if you are just coming across the channel for the first time, kindly like, comment, share to your family and friends and your loved ones, and don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms at Ademola TV Plus. Follow us on Facebook, Threads, Twitter, and all our social media platforms at Ademola TV Plus. Follow me personally at Otex Ademola. And till next week, when we come away again, I say bye. Peace out.